right, when we're talking about finding local maxima and minima of a function given the graph, we need to first understand that the maximum values are these points where they increase and then decrease. So here's an increase and then decrease. So this is a maximum value, this is a maximum value, and these two are minimum values. Okay, so you've got to make sure you're paying attention to what the question is asking for. Is it asking for local minimum or local maximum values? Okay, so in this case, it's asking for all local minimum for this function h. Okay, and then it asks you for all values at which h has a local minimum. Okay, so these are going to be your x values. Okay, and this h is referring to like your y values. Whoops, sorry about that. For some reason it's being a little weird. So it's supposed to say y values there. Okay, so let's see if I can get that to work a little bit better. Okay, so we're looking for minimum. So we have this point here, -2, -3. And at this local minimum is at 3, 0. So the y values here are a -3, 0. So you can see, so here's your -3 value, and here's your 0 value for your minimums. And then the x values that they occur at, that's going to be a -2 and 3. Okay, so this is this first part, and this is the answer for the second part. So you're just going to enter both of those into ALEKS. Okay, so let's look at another example. So in this example, they're asking for the maximum values of this function h, and they want at what values does h have that maximum. So here we have one minimum, one maximum. The maximum value is at -2, +2. Okay, so the max value is considered this value right here, right? 2. And what value is it at? -2. Let's look at one more example. Okay, so this one says, okay, look, they're trying to, you got to be careful. This is all the values at which f has a local minimum, and this says all the local minimum values of f. Okay, so the minimum values are these 2 points here, and they're both occurring at -5. Okay, so we're going to put a -5 here, and then what values at which f has these local minimums? And that's going to be at -4 and 2.